Welcome to the 2015 Mind to Market Award. This award celebrates Ontario Centres of Excellence's best collaboration between an Ontario business and academic research team. Tonight's winner receives $25,000. The three finalists this year are Class 1, Clearblue Technologies, and JimTrack. Each is an ideal example of what can be achieved when the right people are connected at the right time and demonstrate exceptional talent and passion. The judging panel, made up of leading minds from across Ontario, assessed this year's nominees on 4 key criteria: innovation, collaboration, commercialization, and the wow factor.
We saw some really amazing companies today. If they continue to perform as they're performing, they have every opportunity to become globally competitive players in their marketplaces.
In terms of where I see these companies in the next 3 to 5 years, I mean, this award really puts them on the radar screen to attract greater investment, to attract great management teams. These are companies to watch.
OCE is proud to present the 2015 Mind to Market Award finalists.
JimTrack is a system for gyms that lets members automatically track their workouts and offers virtual personal training to all the members in the gym.
We have a few different pieces of aftermarket sensors that install into any piece of gym equipment. Automatically tracks everything that a user does in the gym, ports all that data over to their smartphone, and also syncs that with the cloud, and then allows for trainers to monitor their clients' progress and give them feedback on what they're doing.
The nice thing about JimTrack is that it actually is an aftermarket solution, and so we get to retrofit everything that's already in the gym. Just install this on top, and now your gym is connected, your gym is smart, and everybody's tracking everything they're doing in your gym.
So the idea came from, Pablo, my co-founder, and myself were in the gym together, and we were spending all this time doing the manual entry, and we thought, wouldn't it be great if you could just have this done automatically? So we went off and found some really smart people, put together a team, and built the product. We got linked up with the Applied Research and Innovation department at Algonquin College that actually gave us our first developer and really helped us guide the development of the product. And on top of that, gave us the technical help to be able to build the UI, the UX, and the apps that go along with what we do.
JimTrack, their technology was so innovative that it helped push the envelope for us forward in terms of our ability to build apps. It's really important for us to stay modern and fresh as a college, so we want to ensure that we are using the most recent technologies and pushing the envelope.
So the Ontario Centres of Excellence has been very supportive throughout the whole thing, kind of from idea phase all the way till now we're scaling the business, not only from a financial standpoint, but also from a mentorship and introduction standpoint. So they've really been able to help us get known in the community and the industry.
Ontario Centres of Excellence is there to connect the dots in a few ways. Campus-linked accelerators, for example, help JimTrack at a really, really early stage to have physical location to work from, to have access to mentors and advisors, and a little bit of funding to help them out. Then as they progress from that, Smart Start allowed them to really ramp up their customer engagement, so to go out and actually meet with more gyms and more suppliers and more potential channel partners and get feedback. They've just accomplished so much in such a short period of time. When I look back on them in a space of a little more than 12 months, they've gone from a couple of guys with an idea to over $2 million in investment funding, and forged a lot of partnerships with some of the biggest names in fitness. That's a lot to accomplish in such a short period of time.
So far, we've created about 35 full-time jobs. We're talking engineering jobs, design jobs, and in the next year or so, we're looking to create another 20 to 30 jobs.
There's a huge problem where people don't do enough to stay healthy and prevent themselves from getting sick. There is a huge impact that exercise and healthy lifestyle can make on that. So we're not only, helping people look good, which is what a lot of people think we do, really helping people stay healthy and trying to ultimately reduce the burden on the healthcare system.
Clearblue Technologies has built the world's first smart off-grid technology, which allows customers to install mission-critical things like streetlights, security cameras, oil and gas pipeline sensors, railroad switching stations, without the need to connect to grid power. Through smart off-grid technology, we're delivering highly reliable, clean energy to anywhere in the world. It is more economical to have off-grid energy right at the point of use. We've now worked with over 3 academic institutions through the Ontario Centres of Excellence, and through that ongoing stream, it's allowed us to do the market research, the research and development, and now the commercialization phase of our company.
Clearblue Technologies is an amazing company. I met them almost 5 years ago when their design was basically just a concept on a cocktail napkin. And through that relationship, I've had the opportunity to introduce them to both Centennial College and George Brown College, who've helped them significantly develop their product. Now they're at the point where they've actually raised a lot of private capital as well as public funds and are selling their product into multiple countries.
Our technology really leverages a part of the industry that we have in our manufacturing base. In order to be able to do things rapidly and have the engineering team and the software team close to the hardware manufacturing team, we anticipate growing our manufacturing locally here over the long term.
Our core business is training students to go out and work for companies, and wherever we can, we want to support companies so that they can in turn hire our students. In the case of Clearblue, we were there early on. A lot of us had experience in electronics manufacturing, so we were able to help them with their design and help them think about how to package their electronics to work out in the elements. And we were able to connect them with industrial designers and electronics manufacturers to actually do their first runs of prototyping. So as Clearblue was starting to ramp up from the prototype stage, we were able to support them that way as well, thinking about how to manage the whole process of building things in volume. In a couple of years, Clearblue's going to be a standout Canadian company.
We're all about delivering highly reliable off-grid power to save money and be good for the environment at the same time.
We're in the business of designing and developing and manufacturing and installing central pipeline systems for hospitals for medical gases, and it seemed a natural extension to develop a system for capturing the anesthetic gases. We are already conducting the gases through our pipelines and our pumps, and so it seemed to me that we were in a unique position to be able to develop technology to be able to capture those gases. We have an opportunity to reduce the carbon footprint of a hospital by 50%, which can be a 15% reduction overall for the hospital. It's the single fastest, easiest, least expensive thing that you can do to reduce your carbon footprint significantly.
The first time I heard of Class 1's technology, I was amazed at the problem that they were actually solving. Anesthetic gas emissions are a large contributor to the greenhouse effect in the world. So with Class 1's innovative solution, they're not only reducing the impact of these greenhouse gases on the environment, they're also helping Class 1 hire experienced, well-educated people. OCE Voucher for Innovation and Productivity 1 has enabled Class 1 to continue their relationship with Bill Anderson at the University of Waterloo. This has hastened the commercialization of this new technology, allowing Class 1 to increase their revenue and increase their new hires.
One day, Barry Hunt walked into my office and described some problems that they wanted to solve or products they wanted to commercialize, and we hit it off and started going from there. The University of Waterloo provided some expertise in air pollution control techniques, and Class 1 came to us with the problem of capturing these anesthetic gases. And so the academic team we put together to work on these problems involved a number of researchers, but a key one was Mina Murata. It's always a very rewarding part of research to be able to actually see something come out of it and benefit people.
They've developed a pilot test center to validate their technology from a lab bench scale in Waterloo to a fully operational hospital in Ontario. Through Class 1's partnerships, North America, Europe, Australia, I fully expect this technology to be implemented in both new hospital builds and the retrofitting of existing hospitals.
If we continue on the track of development that we're on now, I can foresee in the near future we'll have 50 to 100 employees here based in Ontario to provide a complete end-to-end solution for recycling of anesthetic gases. It's going to have the largest financial impact, and most importantly, it's going to have the largest global environmental impact.
My name is Pablo Sarugo, and I'm the co-founder of JimTrack, and I'm changing the way people work out in Ontario.
My name is Miriam Turk. I'm co-founder and CEO of Clearblue Technologies. We are delivering the first highly reliable smart off-grid technology in Ontario and around the world.
I'm Barry Hunt, President and CEO of Class 1, and we're on a mission to reduce the carbon footprint of hospital operating rooms in Ontario and around the world by 50%.
Congratulations to our 3 Mind to Market Award finalists. Class 1, Clearblue Technologies, and JimTrack are all incredible examples of what can be accomplished through Ontario's innovation ecosystem. Ontario Centres of Excellence is proud to have supported these ventures and many other innovative companies this year through our funding programs and business development guidance.